This is Umesh Sharma from CAD/CAM Solution Merit, and today we will create this sheet metal part. And in this sheet metal part, we have one. This is my front view. This is front view, and this is the back view, which is from the back side. See this one, and this is the bottom view from here. From this bottom, it is like this, and this is the section from. This is the view from B. So this taper face we can see in this view, and this is a side view, and we have two view which I have rendered in NX. So let's start with the side view. First of all, I'm going to create this shape, and I will create this contour flange, and then we will proceed. Okay, so let's start with the sheet metal in NX. Okay, here first I'm going to create the sketch over this plane ZY. Okay, so click it and okay, and okay, I'm starting with this point. Okay, from here a little bit here, and then taper again a little bit down. And for this I'm not making it close because in bottom we have this kind of shape, and on the back of this portion we have a flange. No problem, we will create it later. Now I'm going to dimension it, so click this dimension, or we have dimension. So click here. From here to this point is 120, and this dimension is 30, and the angle is from here to this is 60, and the total height is from this to this point is 80. Okay, so sketch is fully constrained. Now exit, and here I am going to select this contour flange, and here it is base. And first we have to define the thickness, and the thickness is 1 millimeter. Okay, see, this is 1 millimeter the thickness. So first go to this preference, and here in sheet metal, and the thickness is 1, and the bend radius is 2, and click OK. Now contour flange, and change it to connected, and change it to symmetric, and the total is 304. So 304 is the total, and rotate it. Okay, okay, so this is the first one, and now I'm going to create a flange for this side. So click over this face and change it to full and reverse, and this will be 120. Take it a little bigger. Okay, a dimension is not given here. For this we have to match with this. So I have selected this. Now choose this close corner, and my first corner is this, and second corner is this. See, it will match automatically, and keep it open, and here overlap, and click it OK. And the same I am doing here with these two, and OK. Now this is a little bit extra, so I am going to use trim. So here in mode we have trim body. I want to trim body this, and this is, select this plane and change it to new, click, and this is 80 minus 80, and reverse the side and apply. Okay, and for next body, my body is this and plane is this one, and reverse the side. It is taking it as a new plane, so I don't require new plane this time. I just want to cut with this. Okay, now I'm going to mirror it, so expand it, and this two trim and one corner and another corner. and flange. I'm going to mirror all this with respect to this existing plane and okay. And let's see the result whether it is okay. Yes, it is okay now. Now these all things are here. So I'm going to create one more flange. Click here and reverse the direction. Okay, and this height is 80, so directly change it to 80 and okay. Okay, now this bottom face here, we are now on this face, so I'm going to click this bottom and I'm going to create this smaller ribs and the thickness is 10 and click this one inside, apply, click this inside, apply, click this, apply, and click this, apply. Okay, see these flange are intersecting with each other, so I am going to unbend this. So my fixed face is this, I want to unbend this one. My fixed face is this, I want to unbend this one and rotate it a little bit, fix and unbend, apply, fix and unbend this and okay. Now I'm going to apply some chamfer. So here we have this corner, change it to corner and my edge is this and enter the value as 11 and apply, and same here, apply, and here apply, and here apply. So here first apply and again apply. If it is not come properly, I have to make some changes because all the things are not available here. Okay, this chamfer is not given here, so we have to consider our own. Okay, now all the chamfers are defined. Now I'm going to rebend. Select the face, select the face, face, and face, and okay. See, okay. If you want to hide this, just go to and hide it. And here, see, a corner is coming. So use this and blend, and the radius is 2, and click over this face, and it is not the 4. Exactly, it is coming. I think it is coming as 3. Apply. So I'm going to match this with the lower face. Okay. Now this bottom face, sketch and select this face, orient the view. Okay, and draw a rectangle like this. Okay, where is the middle of this body? Here, and this, make them consonant. Okay, whether it's properly or not, see, yes, it is properly. And 6 is the inner diameter and outer dia is 12, so it will come 12. And I'm going to draw a circle here and one more circle of 6 dia. Okay, and just enter the value from here to the center is 274, half of 274 divided by 2. Okay, enter and close. Now trim whatever you don't want, so select this trim. I don't want this, and click over this and make it reference. Exit from here, and here we have extrude, so we can use extrude to extrude this kind of shape and curve. So same connected curve, no problem, it is okay. And select this one as well. Okay, just do it 0, and here it is 1, and in reverse direction, so we can click it. Okay, and make it unite with the body. Okay, and hide this sketch and click this feature, and I'm going to mirror. My extrude is this, I mirror with respect to this curve, and okay. Okay, this is okay, these all are okay. Now holes and some cut over this face, so click this face and orientation. Okay, so here we have this kind of shape, so I'm going to create, so here is a rectangular shape, so I'm going to create a rectangle and one more rectangle here and a small circle. So first I'm going to match this circle with this vertically and this horizontally. Okay, now define it, dimension is 90 and 60, so this dimension is 90 and this is 60 and close and drag it. Okay, now the displacement distance is 21 from the bottom, this lower edge which is inside, and this it is 21 and 32 from this outside. Now it is properly positioned and we need four smaller, so I'm going to mirror it, and for that I'm going to create two line, first line and then second line. Use this mirror, click, and convert this line, click this one and okay. Now the dimensions are 82 from center to center, so from this center to this center is 82. Okay, it is properly placed, and 52 vertically from this to this is 52. Okay, now rectangle and circle both are properly placed, only the dimension of this circle is 4 dia, and finish. Or we have one more circle, so select here and I'm going to draw a circle. Okay, and the dimension of this circle is 60 dia, and first I'm going to place it, so click here to dimension. From this outer edge it is 77 and from the bottom it is 51, and from the bottom line this gap is 51. Close. Now rectangle, click, and here now dimension it. Now dimension it, this dimension is 10, 10 and 62 and 62. Now choose the this trim and trim all this and trim all this and trim it here, here and here. Okay, and now finish it. Now I'm going to cut it, so here we have extrude cut, we can use this and change it to reason. My reason is this, my second reason is this, and the subtract and symmetric and apply. And here we have this circle, so choose all four circle and change to symmetric and okay. Hide this circle, this sketch. Okay, now only the one thing is left, which is the holes, and we have hole here and the 12 is the diameter, so click here to specify the position, and this gap is 30, 30 from the left and 12 from the bottom, and close. Finish. This dimension is 12 okay, and apply. Now I'm going to copy it, or directly we can use this pattern. My feature is this, and use this linear, vector direction is this, and 1 2 3 count is 3 and the gap is 25 and I don't want it symmetric. Now select all this and I'm going to mirror it. So click this and okay, the sketch is complete. And if you want to apply some material and all, so we have to go to render, and here in studio task, or directly we can use other option. And here we have material, and in wood, drag and drop, the wooden material will come, drag and drop, material will apply over the face. Okay,